In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Ads account if it's been suspended due to suspicious activity and walk you through the exact steps to file an appeal. Having your account suspended can be stressful, but with a clear process and the right approach, you have a solid chance of getting it reinstated. Start by opening your browser and going to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, click Sign In at the top right and log in using your Google account credentials. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Google Ads dashboard. This is your control center where all campaigns, tools, and account details can be accessed. From here, look toward the top menu and find the Tools icon. It looks like a small wrench. Click it, and in the drop-down list, select Troubleshooting. This section is designed to help resolve common account issues, including policy violations and suspensions. Once inside Troubleshooting, locate Policy Manager. This tool provides detailed information about which specific policy your account may have violated and why the suspension occurred. Reviewing these details carefully helps you understand the exact reason for the suspension before moving forward with an appeal. Now, locate and click on the appeal option. This will open the official appeal form that allows you to contact Google directly about your suspension. Take your time here and read through each instruction carefully. Google often asks for context, so make sure your explanation is clear, professional, and honest. Describe your situation in detail. Mention if you believe the suspension was an error or if you've already corrected the issue. It's also important to attach any relevant evidence or supporting documents. For example, if your payment method was flagged, include verification proof or updated billing information. If the issue was due to unauthorized access or an account security concern, provide proof that you've secured your account. The more transparent and specific your information is, the better your chances of a positive outcome. After filling out all required fields and uploading your documents, click Submit. Once your appeal is submitted, Google's team will review your case. The review process can take several days, so check your email regularly for updates. Be patient and avoid submitting multiple appeals, as this can delay your review. If your appeal is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email letting you know your account has been reinstated. You'll then be able to access your campaigns and resume normal operations. However, if your appeal is denied, don't panic. Revisit the Policy Manager again to see if new details were added about why it was rejected. You can use that information to correct any remaining issues before submitting another appeal. To prevent future suspensions, always follow Google's advertising policies closely. Avoid making sudden payment changes, keep your account secure with two-factor authentication, and regularly review your ad content to ensure compliance. And that's it. By following these steps carefully and communicating clearly with Google, you can resolve a suspension and get your account back in good standing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials on fixing Google Ads issues and improving your campaign performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.